All right, so quick video talking you through how to set a due date, something that functions as a due date on a discussion item. And this is a little bit different than it is in the Dropbox tool or in some of the other tools in D2L. So the first thing we're going to do is identify the discussion on which we want to set date restrictions. So let's say that I want to set it on this discussion right here. We're going to choose the drop-down option to the right of the discussion title and then choose Edit Topic. And then from here, we're going to scroll on down and we're going to look at both these availability and these locking options. So availability deals with when students can see the topic. So you can have students see a discussion topic, but you can lock it so that they can't post to it. And that's what I would encourage you to think about here. Because when students can see a topic, like you can lock it down and they can't submit anymore, but they can still go back and reference a conversation that had occurred previously in the course. So for me, the most logical combination here is to make a topic either always visible or visible first. Well, for me, the most logical is always visible, actually. If you want to set it for a certain date range, that's fine, but realize that if you put an end date on availability, students will be unable to see any posts that have been made on the topic. So I'm in my course, I leave this as always visible, and then I set locking options. And what I do is I unlock a topic for a specific date range. The start date is when I want students to be able to start to post to it, and the end date is when I'm not accepting any more posts. So for me, this is the same thing as a due date. So I would just input both of those dates and both of those times and save and close, and that's effectively the due date in D2L. Now the bummer is if you want to say initial posts are due by Wednesday at 5 and replies are due by Friday at 5, there's still no way in D2L to discriminate between those two things. You would still have to unlock it through Friday at 5, which means that a student could still make their initial discussion post past the due date for those initial discussion posts. So that's just something you kind of have to watch for. D2L is aware of the issue. They know that a lot of people want it, but there's still no fix for it. So anyway, that's the answer to your question for today.